Your Piedmont experience starts here. Houses in Piedmont Real Estate. Find your dream home in a fairy tale landscape.
Welcome to Monforte Alba, the pearl of the Langhe region in Piedmont, Italy. Imagine living amidst rolling hills covered in prestigious vineyards, just a stone's throw from the renowned towns of Alba and Barolo. This charming village offers a vibrant atmosphere with its historic center and the famous Monforte Jazz Festival. Enjoy breathtaking panoramic views and the tranquility of the Italian countryside, all while being conveniently located near major cities and airports. Discover this unique, semi-detached rustic house, a blank canvas awaiting your vision. Featuring traditional stone and terracotta details, this spacious 300 square meter property boasts a classic layout with living areas, cellars, and even a former stable and barn. Step outside to your private 90 square meter garden and soak in the stunning vineyard views. This is your chance to create the perfect Italian retreat. Don't miss out. Inquire today.